Alrighty guys, so we're going to dive into the July Boxycharm. I can't believe it's July. It's really freaking me out that it's already July. I almost messed up saying June. I'm like, what month is it? But definitely July's Boxycharm. And the theme of this box is fantasy, S-E-A, kind of cute for summer. I don't have any face makeup on because I got a set of these sponges sent to me. This is by the brand, I've never heard of them, M2U NYC makeup blending sponge set. So these are really cute. I hope they're not like really hard sponges because I'm pretty picky about sponges that I like. I like them to be soft, but it's a cute idea. Basically just 4 soft latex free 3D makeup blending sponges, and they retail for 20 bucks. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and see which one I want to use, and then I'll probably wet the sponge. Okay, so they are pretty soft. This one feels a little harder, maybe just my hand. But yeah, they are pretty soft. I'm probably going to go in with this type of sponge because this is the type of sponge that I like to use the most. I do have kind of all these shapes and size sponges already, but it's a kind of cute set, and this one actually would be perfect for like contouring, so maybe I'll try that out too. But yeah, I'm going to go wet this sponge and I will be right back. So a sponge ended up getting pretty big and now it's super soft. So I actually might like these sponges more than I gave them credit for. I'm going to apply some foundation with the sponge here. I always go in with the sponge. I never use a brush for my foundation. I guess this is a good point to tell you guys about this new foundation that I've kind of discovered. This is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, not in the Boxycharm, but I just recently purchased this. I saw Taylor Wynn talking about this on her YouTube, and I was like, oh, let me totally try this. So this product, mini review, is definitely very oily. So I have dry skin, so this is perfect for me. If you don't really have dry skin, I don't know if you would necessarily like this product, but this is a very nice product for the summer, especially. Sadly, there's no SPF in here. I definitely wish that they did so, but either way, it's actually a really nice, easy, fast applying foundation. I guess I wouldn't even really call it a foundation. Like I said, it's called a face oil, but there are drops, and I got the shade, I don't even know, maybe like a light medium. It doesn't say on this bottle here, but something like that. And I ordered a little bit darker of a shade because when I have self tanner on, this shade works really well for me. I don't have any self tanner on really right now. Just a little bit is left over, but hopefully it still matches. Anyways, I was going to make a full video on me using this product, but I guess I'll just show you guys here today since I'm applying foundation anyways. So you really just want to shake up this bottle, and I usually just drip it on my face. Like, I don't know, this seems to be my pattern recently. And then I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I dip my sponge in there. So it really does have super good full coverage on these drops. So I do like that about this product. Honestly, you don't have to put on as much as me, but I definitely like some full coverage action. So yeah, I just wanted to share this product with you guys because I've been really enjoying it, and it's been a good summer product as well. And the sponge is actually blending really well, and it honestly feels so soft. So yeah, I actually do like this sponge set based on just using one of them. I can't judge them all, but Beauty Blender regularly is $20 for just one. And I don't know, I'm kind of over the whole Beauty Blender trend because there's so many other brands that offer amazing sponges for half the price. I use the ColourPop sponges probably the most because, well, ColourPop is just my favorite brand, and their sponges are really soft, but I am definitely digging these. I'm going to do the YouTubers, Snap, and everything else will be on, and then we'll come back to the next products. Okay, I'm going to really cheat on this, but I didn't get this in my Boxycharm, but my friend, she got 2 Boxycharms in the mail, which that's so weird and random. But anyways, this product is in somebody's Boxycharm. So if you received this in your Boxycharm, lucky you, I'm going to show it. But I really wanted this product so bad and I didn't end up getting it. But this is by the brand Alamar Cosmetics. They are definitely one of my favorite brands out there. I have their blushes and like multiple things by them. Eyeshadow palettes, everything by Alamar Cosmetics I absolutely love. And they usually come in a lot of the Boxycharms, which is awesome. But this is the Hydrating Complexion Trio. I don't know the price on this because I don't have it on my paper, obviously. But yeah, this product is like a bronzing palette. It has probably like a brightener. Let's see. Yeah, like a brightener and then 2 contour and bronzer shades. So yeah, this is really exciting. I don't know if they have multiple shades of this palette. This looks like it's probably like one of the lighter shades. If so, I know the blush palettes are, they have a couple different ones, like light, medium, dark. So maybe it's the same for this as well. Anyways, I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit and try out this product. And this is kind of funny too. I'm using an Alamar Cosmetics brush, which I love, 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 love this brush for contouring. So I didn't even realize that until I picked this up. But I did receive this, I believe, in a Boxycharm. Seriously, Alamar Cosmetics definitely is in a lot of the Boxycharms. I think the main brand owner is named Gabby. I believe that's her name. Anyway, she owns Alamar Cosmetics, and I believe before in the past that she worked for Boxycharm, and she probably still does. Don't quote me on that, but I think she's a part of it, and that's why her products are always in the Boxycharms. But I'm just going to go in with like the middle and last shade and just kind of mix them together and then bronze up my face a little bit here. Just have to say the formula is exactly the same as the blushes, and the blushes, like I said, I use basically every single day, so the formula is amazing. Totally killed it. I'm going to go in with the brightener shade and then place that under my eyes maybe to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, the next product is an eyeshadow palette. I have been trying to pronounce this name for a while, but I'm going to completely botch it. Illamasqua? I have honestly no idea. It is an eyeshadow palette and the inside is really cool. I love the sides of it, like how it goes in. Actually is a really cool idea. It's a 12 pigmented palette with powder eyeshadows, satin matte, and metallic shimmer eyeshadows, and this retails for $50. So really pretty shades in here, and it also comes with a mirror on the back. A very neutral, easy palette to work with. So yeah, it looks like you get 6 shimmers on the top and then 6 regular matte colors on the bottom. So that's kind of a nice perk to this palette. I'm probably just going to do a very basic eyeshadow look with this palette, and we'll kind of see how well they blend. The names on here are not on the palette, they're on this piece of plastic. So I am just going to point to the shades and then make a very easy eyeshadow look just to see how well these perform. Okay, so this palette was nice. It was decent. The shades were nothing really like out of this world spectacular. I definitely have a lot of palettes with these same shades, but this is a good neutrals palette to just keep on my makeup table because sometimes I have no motivation to even do my makeup and have no idea what I even want to do with my makeup. So this is just like a good, easy, basic palette to kind of have around. And yeah, I have no complaints. I don't know if it's worth 50 bucks. You can definitely find cheaper palettes for that price, but it is kind of nice to just try out a completely different brand, one that I've never heard of, and that's the awesome part about Boxycharm. Just gonna throw on some mascara, and then I only have one more beauty product to show you guys, and then the rest we'll do later because it's skincare. So this product is by the brand Basic Beauty. Also, I have never heard of this brand either, but this is a summer lip oil. So yeah, it just says it's a hydrating lip oil, nourishes your lips, blah 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 blah, and it retails for $18. This is so cute. I love a basic lip oil as well. Boxycharm definitely likes to send lip oils. That's where I definitely have discovered lip oils. So yeah, I'm not even going to line my lips or anything. I did just get lip injections. If you missed that video, you can check it I think in my last video. And yeah, I have been loving my lips basically just with some gloss on it. And obviously I do wear a lot of lipstick, so you know, obviously I line them and stuff like that, but today I'm not even going to line them. I'm just going to apply this lip oil on top of my lips, and this will probably make them nice and plump. Okay, so it smells basically like it would, like a coconutty, flowery scent. Ooh, that is nice. That's super, super hydrating. Okay, not sticky, which is also really nice on lip oils. And you can apply this on its own or on top of things or whatever, just to keep your lips hydrated. But cool product. I definitely enjoy lip oils, especially now with lip injections. I don't know if my lips stick out more and they have more room to chat. But yeah, it's always like really good to keep them hydrated. But this is a really cute product too. The packaging is adorable. And again, never heard of this brand either in my life. So yeah, the next two products I will show you guys tonight. And they're skincare products. So once I take off all my makeup, I will show you guys these products. Okay, so remember how I said I was going to do this next half of the video at night, like that night? Well, it's been like 4 weeks and I totally forgot about this whole Boxycharm video, and I was thinking I could probably pull this off and just act like it was the next night or the night of or whatever. But I have different nails. I have acne on my face that probably wasn't there. Like I look like I have a tan now. So yeah, no, it's been like 4 weeks since I literally filmed this Boxycharm video. Okay, maybe not 4 weeks, probably like a good 2.5, 3 weeks. But like I filmed that right before I went to Nashville. Then I went to Nashville. And then I just feel like my summer has been so busy. So yeah, I feel like the worst influencer ever. But yeah, I totally forgot that I even have a Boxycharm video, and it's August. Like it's August, and I have to put up my July Boxycharm video, and then like in a week from now I'll probably be filming my August Boxycharm video. So yeah, just totally disregard this whole video. It's kind of a fail, but it would give me OCD if I didn't post a July Boxycharm video. So yeah. So this is an eye serum by the brand Mud Masky. Basically, it just says it's an eye serum that contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, and yeah, it will help dark circles and fine lines and firming the skin. And this retails for $63. That's a lot of money for an eye serum or an eye product. Actually, what's cool about this is how big it is. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I get a lot of eye products, the packaging is always like really small. I don't know why that is. I guess they just figure for your eye you're not gonna use a lot, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of this under my eyes here. And by the way, I just washed my face. So my face only has on my acne cream, which it's not really working right now, but yeah. Ooh, this feels really nice. And there's absolutely no smell, which is amazing. Sometimes eye creams burn the crap out of my under eyes because I think it's just so thin right there that, I don't know, like my eyes are very sensitive. So this is not burning my skin at all. and it doesn't feel too heavy. Like, it feels pretty lightweight, so you could probably even use this in the morning as well. Like, I have some eye creams that definitely are just for night for sure, but this one is actually really nice. Can't tell you if this does much right now, but from what I can tell, it's pretty nice. I will definitely continue using it. The next product I was kind of reading about, and I'm not really sure if it's a product that I would really use that much, but I'll try it out for the sake of this video. But I honestly doubt that I'm even going to use this product. It doesn't sound like it's targeted for my skin too much. I'll probably just give it to my mom or something. But let's see, Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Serum. It says it targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and thick skin and sun damage, as there's 3 effective forms of retinol actives in every system, and this retails for $39. So my acne cream is a retinol already, so I feel like me using this is kind of going against my acne stuff, and I already have it on, but I guess I'll try it on for, again, the sake of this video. I don't think I'm going to apply it on my chin because honestly my chin is so mad at me. So I think I'll just apply it to the rest of my face here. I'm literally looking so ratchet out of the bath here. Like, I couldn't look worse for this video, but I wanted to just film it and get this up for you guys. So just don't mind it. It's honestly extremely lightweight for a serum. That's kind of nice. Basically, it just says AM and PM apply on cleansed skin. A drop to each cheek, forehead, chin, and under eyes. So it's actually pretty nice. I figured for a retinol that it would be super powerful and stuff, but it's actually really nice. So maybe I won't give this away. I can't tell you guys if this is going to do anything for your skin, but it is pretty nice. Just totaled up the total cost of this whole box, and it's $190. So really amazing. Again, for 25 bucks, you cannot beat that. Yeah, sorry for this last half of the video, such a fail. I really got to get back on the filming here. I'm so sorry. I've been lacking really bad. I've just been really enjoying my summer around here in Illinois. The summer only lasts for like 3 months, and it's my favorite time of the year. So I just like go hard every second that I get. I try to be outside and do stuff with my friends, family, dog. I just try to do all of that. So that's where the lack of videos is coming from, but I will definitely hop on it as well. I have some ideas of things that I want to film, but honestly, I haven't bought any new makeup. I've just been getting like Boxycharm, and then I'll buy occasional things here and there on Sephora. But other than that, I really don't even have much makeup to show you guys, so that's why I haven't really filmed, not gonna lie. But if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. And I didn't even film an intro for this video. I'm also just now remembering that. Such a mess. But I will film you an outro, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.